G'day. Well, this is something different that I've never done before. I'm not sure how many people have. I recently put up a question or a poll in my community tab, which is up above on my channel. You'll find community, asking how many people would be interested in seeing a live stream. In fact, my first live stream this year. And whilst the majority said yes, there were a fair degree of no's. So maybe live streaming is losing popularity. But I thought what I'd try and do, and what I've been messing around for at least an hour now, is to do a recording through my Razer Kiyo webcam that I'm using onto my hard drive and put it up as a separate video. Well, for love nor money, I couldn't get any suggestions to work like VLC Media Player. So what I'm doing is, hopefully, this is an unlisted recording I'm doing, which I'll then download and we'll put up as a separate video, hopefully. So, yeah, unfortunately, the quality is actually what you'll get in a live stream with this webcam. So, if you've never had a live stream experience before, this is it. So, basically, this will be a very short video or live stream version of a video to make up for the lack of actual live stream this month. Maybe if you leave comments below and let me know, are you interested in a live stream? Maybe I might do one sometime next month. Anyway, keeping it short, first of all, I wanted to welcome all the massive amounts of new subscribers I've had in the last couple of months. It's bizarre. It wasn't probably 6 months ago that I hit finally 5,000 subscribers. And as of recording, I'm now over 13,000. So yeah, I guess when YouTube actually picks on a video or two and puts it out there, I guess maybe some of my content is worth subscribing to because people chose to. So thank you and welcome. I wanted to first of all say that, well, I did also put up a poll asking how many people like these shorts that I've been doing a run of this first month of the year. It wasn't an overwhelming majority, but I thought I'd try it, and I'll probably keep doing some at least until the next month in between my main videos, my normal videos. Because if nothing else, even though apparently you don't get notifications when I put them up, so again, check on my tab of my main channel, and under shorts, you'll see all the little snippets I do. Some are, well, they're all under a minute. Some are very short, under 20 seconds. But as my good friend, long-term subscriber, Puppy Breath, has said to me on an email, it is handy when you're on the go and you just don't have time to sit down and watch a long video. Just catch a little short, and that was why I have been doing them. A little bit like Instagram, which I still post to. But obviously, the whole incentive for YouTube has always been, and I've known for a couple of years, they feel very threatened by Instagram, TikTok, even Facebook. So that's why they're doing the shorts. And I guess for me too, it gives me some personal contact with you guys out there. Just keeping you up to date on any little thing that's happening between making my main videos, which take a good while to make. So yeah, follow those shorts if you like to see little snippets, and let me know in comments here or there if you like them. Not so much the content, but do you like being able to see very, very brief videos you can, on your phone especially, flick up and watch little clips that I make here and there. So yeah, at least I'll be able to edit this. Not that I probably will. But anyway, I'll keep it short. Made some notes. Was going to, and that was an example, that little jump cut that you've just seen of me losing my train of thought and not having to waffle on with nothing because I forgot what I was going to talk about. The disadvantage of not being an actual public live stream is I can't see anybody joining and commenting. My little side bit down there under all comments. So that's the downside. But I'll say g'day to all of my regular people that tune in. And the other downside, which of course is obvious, is the fact that YouTube is a global platform with a global audience. So it is actually physically impossible to ever pick a time that's ideal for every one of you to watch. And obviously, it's impossible for me to send out emails to currently over 13,000 subscribers saying, hey, I'm going to have a live stream at such and such a time or date. So at least this way you get to watch an example of a live stream, even though it's going to be shown to you not live, but it's live when I'm recording it. Right. Yeah. And another jump cut that I was able to edit out. This does have advantages. So yes, just an update too. I have been still filming snippets of my big long video, which is I spent a lot of time last year recording about swimming pool maintenance. So I am working on that. Wasn't able to get it done this month as I thought I would be able to, but I'm working on it. I do have something else that's weighing very, very heavily on my mind. It's a health issue. That in due course I'll update you either way about, but hopefully with a positive outcome. But yeah, it plays in my mind and keeps me awake at night. Anyway, don't you love aging and things that happen? And yes, I know it's not just aging, but yeah, whatever. Hopefully all will be okay. So I can continue to make videos for you guys and girls for a long time to come yet. Okay, so this, I will keep it very short. And my live streams are never this short because the benefit of live streams is I can answer any comments. But with that not being the case this time, I just wanted to touch base with you. Hopefully this video is okay quality wise. And yes, let me know if you'd like a live stream, maybe next month. So cheers for now. And this very, very, very short live stream, which I'm sure as soon as I disconnect, I'll remember. But the benefit is I can always add it since I can now edit. Anyway, I don't think I will. Just thanks for joining me. And see, I've got my poster from years ago there, a Disney poster, which when I'm doing any paid work where I use Zoom or something similar, I'll obviously take that down. But it doesn't matter. It's my Disney poster, which I quite like. I did do a film a few weeks ago, and that was quite good. You may have seen a couple of little wardrobe test shots that we took. That was filmed. That's in the can, as we say. Hopefully, will be out very soon. Well, it'll go to movie, whatever's premieres, etc. No, take two. It will go to film festivals and things first, do the circuit, and hopefully then and take three. Good thing I'm able to edit this out. It will go to typical film movie circuits for private screenings or festivals. Then hopefully one day we'll end up on YouTube where everyone can see it. I only play a small role in that. My point is that I'm also doing another film in about a week. So yeah, a bit of diversity. Always a bit of fun. One day I'll tell you some stories about the film industry that I never have, but for now I'll leave it. So thanks a lot for joining me. Hope this wasn't too boring, and do let me know if you'd like to see a live stream in the future, and if you like the little clips or YouTube shorts as they're called that you can see in between videos. Okay, cheers for now in this rather unusual unlive live stream, and we'll catch you later. Cheers.